Hello everyone. So today we will do the activity of home run Hitler. Okay, so what is our step one over here? So let's start with this. Create a new program and add a batter and a baseball sprites. Okay, use the baseball to backdrop from library. Position batter next to the home plate and place baseball on the left of the screen as if it's been pitched. Okay, so let's do this. What we have to do, we have to change the background first. So we will go on the baseball tool. We will select this. Okay, you can see it has been done over here. The next thing what we have to do, we have to take the sprites. So we have to take the baseball player. So let's see where it is. Okay, we got a batter over here. We have to place it to the plate. And now we want a ball over here. So here is a baseball. We have to place it to the left side of our screen as it has been pitched. Okay. So what's the next thing? Place it little here and the ball little upside. Now let's see the another. Step 2. What is our step 2 over here? Let's start with the code for your baseball. Click on the little thumbnail. Imagine of the baseball underneath the stage of Bring Us Bean script editor. Notice there is now a baseball icon in the script editor, and as well this means that any code you place is affecting that sprite. Okay. So first we have to click on the baseball. Now we have to do the coding of this. So first we will take when clicked over here. Let's see what next we have to take. We have to take show advocate script, then add show loop block. Okay, we will take show first in loop block. Here it is show. The next thing, set size to 50%. Set size. So here we will add 50%. Okay. The next thing what we will do over here is go to x minus 25 and y 37. You can take it as per your choice. No need to do the same. Okay, so here I will take minus to 25 and y 37. So you can see I have done this over here. The next thing what we have to do is step number 4. Drag the baseball near the batter, leaving the space in the front of the bat, and then use the glide seconds to X and Y motion block to move it left right as it hits home run, and add another glide to the motion block and hide loop block for the ball to disappear, giving illusion for flying long distance. We have to add more block, but first we have to take this over here. Now we will add more blocks. So we have to add glide. So here is glide. We will take this over here. 1 second to 56 and 55. Here we will take 56 and the second one we will take 55. The next thing, glide 1 second to minus 231 and 145. Again we will take glide minus what is 231 and 145. 231 and here we will take 145. You can take it as per your choice. Now the next hide. The next block we have to take is hide over here. You can see I have dragged this. Okay. So now let's see our another step. What is that? Step number 5. Click the batter thumbnail. Switch to the script editor. Now we will go on the batter thumbnail. First we have to take when clicked over here. So I have taken start script when the flag clicked. We have taken that. Now what we have to take next is event block. At wait 0.5 seconds control block. So here we have to take wait for 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. Next thing, then switch costume to looks block for each position. Switch costume. Go on this look block. Switch costume to batter. What the batter we will take? A. Now next thing, wait for 0.2 seconds. Again go on control. Here we will take 0.2 seconds. Now the next thing what we have to do is we have to, when we will take 0.2 seconds, so we have to change the animation again over here. We will take switch costume to B. So here we will take, and now we will take over here B. The next thing we will do is, again we will take, wait for 2 seconds and then C. Here wait for 2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. And here we will take switch costume to C. Now we will take, go on control. Again we will take, wait for 0.2 seconds. And the last we will take switch costume to batter number D. Now let's see our another step over here. We have completed till here. Now our step number 6, code complete. So let's see our results, what happened next. After coming in the our code screen, we will make full screen over here. Now we will click on the green flag. So you can see the result, how it looks. You can see how the batter hits the ball. Okay, so this was our activity, and by very simple coding you can make this activity. The name of our activity was Home Run Hitler. Thank you.